Okay.
Alright.
Yes, if anywhere that anybody's going to be, it's going to be a very mild Saturday in October. I'd rather not.
Well, just get ready to exit pretty fast if you see somebody.
That road back there goes to a cemetery.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
No, that road's alright. It's this road we're on that we gotta worry about.
Is it something to do with a mine?
Well, it's the old tunnel.
Oh.
And they, I think they do, like emergency response training in the old tunnel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's all like they ran and they'll probably shoot us for being out here.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, cool. Just so you've been informed. And that, and I think there's a lot of bums live out here. So. But yeah, last time I was here there was a ton of garbage. Like, people have been living in this tunnel.
No way. Cabin Creek, baby.
Yeah, there's the tunnel.
Dang.
I don't see anybody out, I don't think, so. Yeah, we're gonna...
I mean, there was no gate until up here, so it's like...
Yeah, we're not going up to... Let's pull down a little bit.
Yeah, I'd always heard there was training up here for this tunnel, or stuff stored in this tunnel.
Yeah, they do, like, some kind of emergency response training or something. FBI and all that comes up here too. Looks like this is gated.
Have you been down here before?
I came down a little ways and saw somebody and I turned around. I didn't make all the way to the gate. Posted no trespass.
Awesome. Yep. We both had the same idea. On up?
Yes. See what's up here.
On up where?
On up past the tunnel. Unless you want to go up there. I really want to go up there.
I mean, you can't go up there. There's a gate.
I really want to go around the gate and see what's up there.
Yeah.
But even more so, like, I want to go out here even more so. Check this out. Super sketch. Danger blasting area. Pretty sketch.
Yeah, like they've got this stuff built so tight you can't even go around it.
Yeah.
But where does this go?
So if we were able to get through these weeds up here, we kind of come out like right where we want to be at. Before there wasn't a path. I don't know if there is now. Looks like there's probably not.
Doesn't look very good.
Okay, there's probably not, but if we were to go just a little ways farther, we would be right where we want to be at. But anyway, alright. Full spot, I'll show it to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Pretty much locked down though.
Yeah, I'll save the footage of us going inside the tunnel and stuff for my urban exploration channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got one of those?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What do you put, like one video a year on there?
That's the stuff that I really wish I'd have done.
Oh, you're on camera. I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, I'm not doing any damage. I'm just coming out and checking out the cemetery. No.
Keep going. What are you doing?
Alright, all this,
Mud holes, rocks, and cliffs, you're like, yeah, let's go. Easy road to a cemetery, you're like, I don't know. Yeah, little family cemetery or something.
Is that a shovel?
Yep.
Okay, that's kind of weird.
It's cool.
Get out of here.
There's a little cemetery like this at Chief Cornstalk me and Adam found. You ever been out there?
A little bit. I rode out with you one time, a little bit.
Did we actually go out to the lake and the camp area and stuff?
There's a lake?
Oh yeah, that's.
No, we didn't make it though.
Yeah,
we rode through the forest.
That's what I thought. Yeah, me and Adam went this year on that one ride, and we found the lake and the campground spots.
They're pretty big?
No.
Oh.
No.
The lake's not big?
The lake's not big. I mean, it's big enough to fish and kayak and have a little fun, but like, it's pretty small.
Yeah.
And there was like 10 camper spots with no hookups.
Oh wow. Nice.
Yeah.